All members, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. As you know, my name is Bakhtawar Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Technical Bakhtawar. I am here with a brand new website which name is avengerscoin.finance. I tell you everything about it, so keep watching my video till end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel Technical Bakhtawar, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest videos update. Bring the right Avengers world to the NFT universe. Here you can see you can buy on this PancakeSwap. You can buy their token on PancakeSwap, and if you want to see the chart, you can see their chart. And white paper is under developing and adapt is here. If you want to buy their token, you have to click on PancakeSwap. After clicking on it, PancakeSwap will appear, and after connecting your wallet, after selecting the currency, if you want to buy the token in BNB, you can buy the token in BNB and click on I understand and import the token. After importing it, if you want to buy the token with BNB or BUSD, you can select BNB. BNB is better than BUSD, then select BNB. After selecting BNB, select the amount you want to buy. After selecting the amount, you can connect your wallet and you can see the average of the BNB and the token rate. And after that, you can connect your wallet. If you have money in MetaMask and Trust Wallet, you can buy with MetaMask and Trust Wallet, and if you have money in Wallet Connect, you can buy the token with Wallet Connect. After that, you have to see your website chart, and if you want to see, you can click on the chart, and after that token chart is appear, and after that you can see the details of the token. First of all, you have to connect your wallet by clicking on it, and after that you can see the dumps and ups of the token and the retail price, and the price of the token is 0.000002835, and you can see the token rate is now on the dump, and after dumping the project pump up and the price is pump up. And I request you, please buy this token so the price pump up, and you can get your income and you can get your profit. After that, if you want to see their white paper, you can see their white paper, and addict are here. Tokenomics are 7% of BTCB rewards, and a percentage of each tax go downward to the contact which buys BTC and distribute it in the holders proportionally with an or grow coin. 6% is buyback and MKT. MKT means marketing. Through the buyback, we will be able to support the price, avoiding bad tips. The market funds will allow us to complete the roadmap quickly. 2% is for liquidity, meaning that we will always maintain a suitable liquidity pool, keeping your investment safer and more suitable to hold for the long term. You can see the roadmap. Phase 1 is develop smart contact website, launch, pre-sale, announcement, advertising, camping, and coin hut coin sniper listing. In phase 2, 2000 holders and list on Blockfolio, list on CoinGecko, or list on CoinMarketCap. First 10 NFT are coming, and you can see Teach Addict. And in phase 3, 5000 holders and second addict are coming, and 50 NFT launch. NFT marketplace is here, and listing on exchange and game development. You can see phase 4 and other many more. If you want to join their social media, you can join their social medias, and I request you, please join their social media so you can join their giveaways and other things. So let's end our video, and if you watch my video till end, then please give me a good comment. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.